In this video, I'll be doing two RV tours. The first with Peggy and her Bushwacker Plus trailer, and the second one with Jeannie and her Rockwood Mini Light trailer. So come on along.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now.
Hello, this is my friend Peggy, and she just got this little Bushwacker trailer a couple of months ago. Yeah, Baxton Creek 15 FK, huh? So it's 15 feet long, or
Yes,
how?
it is.
Okay.
A little longer with the time, but not
And why did you choose this trailer?
because it was small and I thought I could handle something like this and I could stand up in it and it has the wet bath and everything that I wanted. So
Oh, good. Well,
Good
let's
start.
go inside.
okay. This is the kitchen, food storage here and countertop here for preparing. You have a 2-burner propane stove right there.
Uh-huh.
And of course your panel was right here for
Yeah.
checking everything. A microwave!
Is it a regular microwave or a convection?
It is regular.
Okay.
Regular.
Some people
Yeah.
have convection.
Yeah.
And then this is your
And
refrigerator.
the refrigerator is very nice.
Very
I
good.
thought. A little bit of a freezer, which
Yeah.
is great.
And it's a three-way, you said?
Three-way.
Good. Do you have a sink? Oh, your sink is way
Sink.
over here.
Sink, yeah. They have different configurations, racks and creek.
Oh, okay.
It is small. I think eventually I'll replace that to get something bigger there. And you have your GFI switch here. You have some storage here for, all your stuff.
Okay.
This is your furnace.
Okay. And then the air conditioning is up there, the
Air
white thing.
conditioning's here. You have to turn the furnace on. It's just right next to you.
Okay. And the fan is up there, the max
fan,
fan.
yeah.
Nice
I
fan.
forgot to open that.
Yeah. Be good to let some air in.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And then
And
over
wait,
here.
and the bathroom?
Oh, the bathroom. The wet bath. they
It's a
call
wet
it.
bath,
You
yeah.
push it in and open it.
Okay.
And it's just basically the
toilet and the shower.
And the shower
And
head.
then, because the sink is outside. The
Yes,
sink is over
and
there.
there's a hot and cold shower out
Yeah.
there as well.
Oh, outside too.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Okay. And then this is the back of the trailer, and this is your day bed, couch, and it turns into a bed, huh?
Yes, it does. You take this swivel table off, from the bar
Right,
down here.
right.
And you place this table onto the Velcro strips.
Okay.
They're here, right across here.
Yeah,
And then
yeah.
you configure your pillows to go on top of it. And I actually use another pad to see how this goes around anyway.
Yeah, it
Which
does.
is really nice, so there's plenty of sitting space. and,
Uh-huh.
you can be very comfortable playing games and stuff with 3 or 4 people. There's plenty of light in here.
Oh,
Turn some
very
more on.
nice, yeah. And of
This
course
is
that's a
shelving
shelving.
here, I think for clothing or whatever.
Yeah, you can get small little boxes or something to put up there.
Yeah, these are really nice. They're room
Oh,
darkening
blackout
shades.
curtain, yeah.
Yeah. And then this opens for, this is also your
Emergency, yeah.
So in case
I'd
you
never
need to
get my
go.
bottom out of there. And then I see you have a
And
cabinet
yeah,
up
and
here.
a nice big cabinet there. Of course, we have to store everything in here.
Of course. And then
these
there's
are speakers for,
yeah.
for the radio.
And then you have some shelving down here.
I do.
Yeah.
And I'm just
very
starting
good.
to put these on because
Those
I
are
was
very
told by
important.
a
Yeah.
very smart woman that you need those.
Yeah, yeah.
And
Something I did when I had a trailer that had valances like that, I went to the dollar store and these little box baskets will fit right up here with a little command sticky.
oh, that will give me more storage.
A little more storage.
So yeah, it's very limited on storage, but it teaches you what you need
Yeah.
and what you don't.
Yeah, and it's
So-
just you and your dog, so you're good. And yeah, yeah,
Oh, that's a nice screen.
Great.
Shade window here.
great.
And then there is storage here. That's because, you know, you want to.
Oh, okay. Is there storage under all three places?
No, just this one.
Just that one?
This is your fuse and fuse box.
Okay.
And that's the CEO,
The detector for carbon monoxide. Yeah.
monoxide. So,
And you have a fire detector somewhere too, probably.
fire detector. I have my
A smoke detector.
Yeah. Oh, right here.
Ah, there it
Yes.
is. Yeah, they all have to have that.
In fact, sometimes when I smoke,
Yeah, when
on
you
there,
cook.
it goes
Yeah,
off.
that's why you always have to
Yeah.
have a fan on. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay. So Peggy, what's your storage outside?
It's right here. You turn this. And it has
Does it
this-
go all the way through to the other
No,
side?
Unfortunately, it doesn't. The 17-footer does.
Uh-huh.
It goes all the way through. But
Uh-huh.
you do have, you know, it goes back to the other side and then it goes that way.
Okay.
Where that other storage was
Oh,
as well.
underneath the bench there.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you have some jacks down there. Some
Some
stabilizer jacks.
stabilizers.
Yeah,
And
stabilizers.
here's an outdoor plug.
Plug, right.
And then
Good.
you have the propane
Okay.
out here.
Oh,
Which
okay.
is really nice.
Yeah, if you want to hook up a barbecue or
Yeah.
something.
And you have your outside LED light with a switch right here.
Uh-huh,
which is
nice.
Very nice. No awning, but we'll work on that.
Yeah,
And then, of course, the screen door.
yeah, yeah, very good.
And the regular door.
And a nice door, yeah, okay.
Yeah.
And then show me the front there.
The front
You've got
here
one
is
propane.
called Bushwacker Plus because it's made for off-road and it has the bigger tires and the solar plug. So to have the solar panels, which I do, I don't have them set out, but you have to have 2 batteries for
Right,
that.
right,
And then, of course, your
Right.
propane tank.
right.
Yeah. And,
And here in this campground at Pomo, you have full hookups.
yeah.
Very
Really
nice.
yes.
Very nice.
My wonderful neighbor put a new washer in so it didn't leak. And you have a freshwater connection. This is your solar plug for
Okay.
the panels.
Yeah,
That's the air conditioning.
right, vent
vent.
there.
This is a furnace that gets hot.
Yeah,
Of course, your fresh water and your
electric.
plug-in.
And it's 30 amp, is that correct?
And it's 30 amp.
Good.
And you need the keys to open it.
And that's the outdoor shower.
Yeah, but it is too hot and cold with hoses on them.
Fabulous. You can hose off the dog.
Yeah. Or if you're in a bathing suit, you could.
Yeah,
hose your
you can
sink
do
or
that
your
too if it's
soap
warm enough. Yeah,
Yeah.
very good.
off. So yeah.
Excellent. Well, thank you very much, Peggy, for letting me see your little trailer. I appreciate it so much, and stay crafty when you are camping.
I will.
Okay. And this is Jeannie's rig. There's Jeannie. Oh, it's okay. This is my friend Jeannie, and this is her rig. Tell me, Jeannie, what kind is it?
It's a Rockwood Mini, like 25 foot.
25 foot.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah.
And how long have you had it?
Maybe just under a year.
Okay. And you pull it with a really nice truck?
Yes.
Yes.
The bomb of a truck to pull it with. Pulls
Yes.
it like a dream.
Excellent. Excellent. Very good. And you've got a big storage right there. That.
Kitchen.
Oh,
outside
that's an
kitchen.
outside kitchen.
Outside kitchen.
Is it unlocked? Can you open it?
I can open it.
Okay.
Nice. used it a few times.
Uh-huh.
Stove.
And you got a little fridge, you got a stove, your cord fell down.
Yeah, that's
And your gas, that's good. And you must have does it have an automatic gas line, or do you have to plug in, is this your gas line here?
This is my gas line, but I just have to connect it.
Connect it to a propane. So you have another propane portable that you use, or do you hook it up?
It's hooked all the way.
All the way through.
It's
Very good.
wired to the whole thing.
And a nice little sink. Now, does that have hot water in the sink too?
Yes.
Very good. And does that look like a little storage areas there under the sink?
They're not real,
Oh,
just
like a
those
sponge
little
place.
sponge things. I don't know if this one-
Oh, okay. Oh, it does. That's a drawer. You haven't used that in a while, I guess, huh?
No, I used it at Hat Creek last year. We've used it a couple times.
Okay.
But we
Okay.
haven't used it for a while. I think
All right.
We used it at Westport too.
Okay.
So, yeah, it works nicely.
Very good. Okay.
It's where all my water tank, my turn-ons and all the switches to get hot, cold, filter.
Oh, okay.
Everything's in there.
Okay. Okay.
And then
Good.
we have another storage compartment.
Okay. Around the back. Good.
Really nice.
Oh, very good. That's a little drawer even.
Yeah, it's great.
That makes it easier.
Yeah, it's it doesn't have a ton of storage on the outside, but this
Okay.
is really nice.
And here's where your connections are, your water and...
Just the city water. Now my power's over on the other
Okay.
side.
Okay.
And
Your
my,
dump tank's on the other
My
side.
dump tanks are on the other side.
Okay. Oh, good. So, can we go inside?
Yes.
Okay, Jeannie, now we're in the front of the trailer, and your kitchen is in the front.
Yes, I love it. I love this window.
Yes.
My Arpod had a window like this in the kitchen. I had an Arpod before this.
Okay.
And I really love it. It's just
A nice side double sink.
double sink.
Double sink.
It's got a ton of storage.
Yes.
Down and below. It's got storage up there.
Okay, and you have a
We've
microwave.
got a microwave. We have
And you have a stove and oven, too.
Yes, and refrigerator.
Oh, the refrigerator's over here. It
Here.
blends right into the woodwork,
Which I
doesn't
need
it?
to- Yeah. It's a bit brown, but someday I'll unbrown it.
Some people paint them. And then this is your entertainment center.
Yeah, this is the entertainment.
Okay, and some more storage down there.
Just a tiny.
And
I
then,
had a dinette. I just took it out.
Ah.
I just took it out and bought some Lazy Boys.
nice.
And so now we have comfort.
Yeah. Was it hard to get the dinette out?
No, it was just a matter of a lot of screws.
I bet. And then you have storage, and this is the slide area.
Yes, this is
So,
the slide.
okay, so when you're closing the slide, the chairs obviously stay there.
Yeah, I just pull them gently forward a little bit.
Okay.
And they, yeah.
Good.
So there.
And who are these little guys right here?
This is Sasha.
Sasha.
And this is Missy.
And I have somebody behind me down here on the floor.
This is Jaxie.
Okay, and a pretty collie over here.
This is Tasha.
Okay, beautiful.
She's new to our family.
Oh.
And then I have another dog that's in my truck because he's nervous right now.
Oh,
he's
so
feeling
he's
better.
settled down.
Yeah.
Okay,
So then I bought my bathroom.
okay. This is the bathroom.
It's a wonderful bathroom. I can totally survive in this bathroom. It has a great shower. I don't even have to use anyone else's facilities.
Yeah, and nice cabinets over there.
Yeah, there's a nice
Yeah.
storage underneath the sink.
Uh-huh. And a medicine cabinet.
And
Good,
medicine
good.
cabinet.
Okay. Again.
This is my bedroom.
Okay, nice. Now, does the slide go out that way, or is this
No,
not a
it's
slide
just-
at all?
It's not a slide at all.
Ah.
And I didn't know that I would like it because I kind of like the open feeling.
Uh-huh.
But it's actually nice.
Nice and cozy
Yeah,
in
I
here.
love it.
And you got good storage up here,
Yeah,
too.
we got good storage up here. I've got a drawer, and then I have drawers down here. And then I bought this little thing on Amazon, chest, so
Oh,
my dogs can get on the bed.
okay. That's important.
And I fill it with clothes.
Very
So
good.
It's perfect. Yeah.
Very good. Very good.
dog oriented.
Yes.
This trailer is.
You have to with 5 dogs. Okay. Jeannie, you have a beautiful rig. I'm so glad you came on the Campout. And thank you so much for letting me interview you and do a little tour of your trailer. And as always, stay crafty when you're camping. It's been a wonderful camp out with the Mendocino Lady Glampers at Pomo Campground. And if you've enjoyed our videos from this camp out, please give us a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe. And as usual, stay crafty when camping at Pomo Campground.